Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing how you can remove an object from an image in Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let me first open the Photoshop application and then I will select an image. So I'll select this one. So now I will select this object from this image and try to remove it. So let me click the rectangular mark tool and then I will select this object. So after selecting this part, all I have to do is to click on edit and then click on content aware fill. So as you can see, this part of this image will be filled by this greenish rectangular part. So this area is also included, that's why in preview you can see this is slightly white. So I will remove the top portion. To do that, make sure you have selected the minus option here, and then I will try to remove the top part. You can also increase the brush size, so this way it will be quicker. Let me also remove the bottom part. So this part of my image will be filled by this portion. So it's not perfect, but it will do the job. So when you are done, just click on OK. As you can see, this object has been removed from this image. So now let's save this image. Let me quickly export it and let me rename it. Then I'll just click on save. So the image has been saved. Let's check it out. So let me open my images folder. As you can see, the object has been removed. So this is how you can remove an object from an image in Photoshop. If you want to see more videos like this one, like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.